Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. But most of all, remember to share so our videos go viral.
Good morning, sweet love. Looks like you're getting ready for the storms. How you doing this morning?
A little tired, but yeah, we're getting ready for rain. Supposed to have almost 2 inches of rain. So we'll see what 2 inches of rain in the desert looks like. But I'm trying to get some of my stuff organized, making some more shelves for in there, so I can get a lot of my stuff up and in there and out of the way, because when we leave, we want it organized anyhow. When we come down here, it was a rush. And friends and relatives helped me pack, but the packing was, yeah, throw it in, we got to get out of here. So I'm dealing with that, going through things, straightening things out, organizing, and now a lot more stuff will fit in my trailer easy.
Or at least what you have will fit there.
Yeah. Morning. And we put up our rain tarp last night so we could have a rain shelter. And Rocky's getting loving over here.
Everybody's busy getting packed up before the rainstorm comes in. Busy putting things away. And trying to get under cover. Storm's blowing in. And the clouds are just gorgeous. And they're expecting probably close to 2 inches of rain. The wind's picking up. People trying to get their last minute jobs done before the rain comes. Getting ready for the storm.
This is the morning after the big storm. I was up probably 2 o'clock in the morning watching some big thunder and stuff. We got quite a bit of rain, lots of wind. That's the storm that's still hanging in today. It's supposed to kind of be gone today. You can kind of see it up there. People's already walking around picking up stuff that blew everywhere last night. I don't know what time it is in the morning. Haven't looked. That's kind of the early morning view. This is our tarp here that we set up. Keep all of our welding equipment dry real quick. Flag's still blowing up there. There's the new decals. Got the one on the back of the trailer too. I'm gonna go drink my coffee. We'll catch you later. This another view of the skies down here. It's starting to sprinkle again. About 8 o'clock in the morning. That's the sun over there coming up. There's a bird going for drier weather. That's all the mountain ranges around here and the storms and the people. It thinned out quite a bit. The big storm coming in scared a lot of people out of here, but there's, as you can see, There's still a lot of people here. We've got probably 4 jobs scheduled today and tomorrow. So we still got work coming. And there's our big rig with the flatter. It's working good for us. That's the latest pictures of the storm. The sun's trying to peek out up there. Looks kind of scary clouds over there too. But this is what's blowing in our way, I think. The sunshine. Got a couple good downpours here. I'm trying to get my aluminum brackets up on my trailer for my solar cells to mount. We can't move without them mounted. I tied them down last night just in case the wind would blow them off. But hopefully that's what we got coming. And hopefully this over here is going to pass us.
And I think the storm is over. Still looks a little dark that way. Hopefully it keeps on blowing. Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And remember to hit the bell for notifications. Bye.